ready to create captivating YouTube videos on autopilot. In this step-by-step guide, we'll unlock the power of Pictory.Ai, showing you how to effortlessly transform scripts into stunning, automated YouTube content. First, head over to Pictory.Ai and sign up for an account. They often have free trials, so you can test the waters before committing. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Here you'll see different video creation options. Click on Script to Video. This feature is the heart of our automation process. Paste your script into the designated text box, and make sure it's well-structured with clear sentences and paragraphs. A good script ensures a better video. Next, Pictory will break your script into scenes, and it's time to choose a template. Browse through the available options and select one that aligns with your video's theme and style. Don't worry, you can customize it later. Now, Pictory's AI will automatically select visuals to match your script. Review each scene, making sure the images and video clips are relevant. You can easily swap them out by searching the Pictory media library for alternatives if needed. Let's add a voiceover. Pictory offers both AI voices and the option to upload your own audio. Explore the AI voice options and pick one that fits your brand's voice. If you choose to upload your own, ensure it's clear and well recorded. Now, add some background music to elevate your video. Pictory has a wide selection of royalty-free tracks. Finally, customize your video with your logo and branding elements for a professional touch. Preview your masterpiece. Once you're satisfied, click the Generate button and download your automated YouTube video, ready to be uploaded and shared with the world. Now you have the tools to start making tons of content on YouTube. Go create.